Yeah, yeah. I mean, I can see it later, but I don't have a fucking clue how that bike works.
Of course, you probably don't even watch anymore.
It's fucking running. Sprint! Boom! Oh!
45 miles an hour for the kids.
Get down, bitch. Oh!
Time is 7.18.
Look!